My name is Jean Fernandes. I am IBCORR's National Technical Operations Manager. I've been in the steel roofing industry for over 42 years. Today, I'd like to introduce you IBCORR's AfriLok700 concealed fixing profile. This profile has been improved. It's got deeper stiffener ribs. It's got more pronounced shoulders for better engagement. This product here, it's one of the best on the market. We also have this AfriLok700 clip. As you can see, a very nice clip, and it's nice and long as well. It's easier to erect because as you put it along, you can keep the 700 distance, preventing snake as well, which is a big problem when installing roofs. This one here goes in there, as you can see. It just carries on with the straight line there. Besides this one here, we've got another shorter one here. For smaller projects here, we've got a more economical type of clip as well that works very nice. To install these clips here, you are going to need these class 3 screws here. You need one at the gooseneck here. You're going to need another one here at the anchor, this one, and then your second anchor as well. This is our self-drilling screws here. And then of course for wood, we've got this one here, same application, but this one is also class 3 and it's for wood. Exactly the same, gooseneck, first anchor, second anchor. I'm going to do a little demonstration here about installation. Just for coatings, we've got the Color Plus. We use Color Plus and Chroma Deck as well, with different azide coatings as well. So on this one here, you've got your female rib here that goes to the female rib of your clip. As you can see here, not forgetting the screws here. Firstly, you take this one here, you just put it on that way, on top of your purlin, and then you engage it, positively engaging it. And from this one here, same thing, this one here goes inside here so that you can lock it there, and it goes inside that hole. So every single hole, that's I was saying earlier on, the advantage of having this clip here, it's on the gooseneck there, there's another hole there, so that will help you to go straight all the time there. The female rib goes, engages with the male rib there, and then you need to push it down to positively engage it, and you can hear it, these clips very, very positively. This is what makes a roof very stronger. And as you can see, this is now properly installed. It clips very well, and I'm going to turn around so that you can see the spur on the other side. You can see everywhere there's positive engagement, and that's what we want. This spur, yeah, this spur actually, this is to prevent collapsing when walking on top of the roof. For more information or a demonstration, please contact our office or visit our website.